Hello to you, Mark Hall here with the weekly fine wine investment market update. Today, Thursday the 31st of October, 2013. So, on the last day of the month, and we are waiting for the trading results for October, which we'll report on in full next week. I think it's fair to say, though, that the Live X50 index, which of course tracks the fortunes of the first growths, well, that will be down again, as interest in these wines has continued to be scarce to non-existent this month. On that subject, a couple of articles on winesearcher.com this week. Well, they actually make for quite interesting reading. In one, Jeannie Chu Li, Master of Wine, reports on the falling market in Hong Kong and China. An interesting observation in this article is the fact that a few years ago, Chateau Lafite Rothschild was an essential luxury at Chinese banquets, whereas now this wine, as the article states, and I quote, has become an excessive extravagance which is the exact opposite of the sombre and austere philosophy the current government espouses. In this market, the price of Chateau Lafite Rothschild has bombed. In fact, since May 2011, the price for the 2009 Lafite has halved from $1,930 a bottle to its present level of $970 a bottle. Added to this, industry insiders estimate that between 60% and 80% of Lafite Rothschild in China is in fact counterfeit, another good reason for consumers not to buy. This article ends with a gloomy prediction that further market corrections are to be expected and that prices for fine wine have not yet reached the bottom. This, of course, is the message that we've been trying to get across for some time now. The first growth, and Lafite in particular, need to become affordable to consumers before the prices can start to stabilise and perhaps start to grow again. And we don't think the prices are low enough yet for that to happen. The other article focuses on the research that Morgan Stanley has conducted into the supply and demand of wine worldwide. So what are the results of this research? Well, it appears that there is actually a very real possibility of world wine shortage on the horizon. According to the article, last year global demand exceeded supply by around 300 million cases, marking the largest such shortfall in almost 50 years. Morgan Stanley say, and I quote, data suggests there may be insufficient supply to meet demand in coming years as current vintages are released. So our advice to you is very simple: stock up while you can. These articles and all the latest news can be found on our sister site, winemarketnews.com. And if you'd like to buy and sell fine wines at industry prices, well then our details are on the screen. So, that's it for this week. I'll see you next week. Happy Halloween.